and the wind's 120 knots from the west. Look at that thing, dude.
The 6 real aliens on Earth fighting for control. You're probably wondering, could there be real aliens on Earth? Out of the many sightings and abductions have made it possible to differentiate several alien species who have been conspiring with the military forces, in fact, deciding our future without even asking us. So let us see what the 6 real aliens on Earth are. The first one is Syrians. These ancient aliens are very advanced. The Syrians, throughout history, gifted their knowledge to humanity on many occasions. They gifted the ancient Egyptians with medical and astronomical knowledge, among many others, include the Great Pyramids and temples which were built with their help. The Syrians shared information with the Mayans and formed a great relationship. Apparently, these extraterrestrials originating from Sirius B played a big part in the disappearance of the Maya. They left behind some amazing artifacts like the crystal skulls. Another very ancient civilization that benefited from these aliens were the Atlanteans. It is believed that as Atlantis sunk from a cataclysmic event, the Syrians were very important in leading the rescue operation. Other civilizations have been influenced by the Syrians. The most known are the Dogon tribe of West Africa. Though it seems the Syrians were more involved with Earth in the past, it's believed nowadays the Syrians play a more subtle part in exchanging technology programs. The Syrians are often mentioned with technology and research such as time travel experiments. The second one are the short grays. The Greys are some of the more well-known aliens, also known as Zeta Reticulums. They are generally portrayed throughout alien pop culture and are mostly known for alien abductions. They stand 3 to 5 feet tall, have bulbous heads and big eyes. Although they have a mouth, they very rarely speak. Most of their communication is done telepathically. The short grays are genetically engineered workers and are controlled by their superiors, the tall grays. Their telepathic abilities allow them to form a hive mind consciousness. These genetically designed aliens carry out scientific missions. The short grays have no emotions and are very cruel. They are also responsible for creating a human-grey hybrid race. The tall grays. The Grey Masters stand 7 to 8 feet tall. They are pale and hairless. The Grey Masters are the ambassadors of most meetings between human and alien forces. They represent both grey and human biological material combined. They lead assisting with shorter greys with communications. This alien species is involved with many genetic experiments. There is now a hybrid human grey race created, containing mind control and diplomatic agreements with the shadow government. Many sources claim that they originate from a star system in the Orion constellation. The tall greys watch over all the abductions and human experiments, but they are never present during the events. They let their minions, the short greys, do all the work. They are keen on developing a stable human-grey hybrid race, one worthy enough to inherit Earth. They are an advanced, self-centered race, and they see very little value in human life. The top dogs, Alpha Draconians. Crooked and barbarous, these Alpha Draconians placed themselves in human society many thousand years ago. They are the first and oldest reptilian race in our universe, or so they say. It is unknown where these nasty beings originally came from. We only know they managed to get Earth from their colonies on Alpha Draconis. Like all bugs, they procreate by laying eggs, and it is said they speed up the hatching process by inserting a warning hormone into the young. They are dichotomy. This explains Why the female of the species do not fight in their wars? They are valuable staying hidden and safe, tending their eggs in the nest. They are the ones who carry this hormone they inject into the eggs, so they are just as valued as the male. I'm sharing with you what I can from many years of research and data I have collected. These ugly dudes are huge compared to us. They measure from 13 to 23 feet and weigh a staggering 1700 pounds. I guess you could say they're almost comparable to ancient dinosaurs, possibly closest to a T-Rex. These guys think they're pretty smart and credit themselves as one of the first intelligent beings to appear in our galaxy. They have no limits to what they want. They take up residence in many populated worlds, not just our beautiful Milky Way. Their egos are so out of control, they believe that they have every right to take our Earth and our people, as they think we are lesser beings. All of us know this to be untrue, but it is very hard to tell this to a massive, aggressive and evil bug, such as Alpha Draconian. The native reptilians. They are often confused with the Alpha Draconians. These reptile species are believed to be native to Earth. Generally, these reptilians are described as being 6 to 8 feet tall. They are bipedal with green scaly skin, body odor, and large eyes with vertical pupil. The very little information available about them states that they were left behind by the Alpha Draconians to colonize Earth. The reptilians' connection with mankind goes back thousands of years. In some cases, they offer assistance, but most of the time they use humans as commodity. They have crept into almost all ways of human life and maintain positions of power. Ancient people describe the reptilian beings as acting dangerously towards human beings. More often, the reptilians manipulate their elites and rule large institutions and organizations. They influence all religion and build our current financial system. Since more reptilians are underground, it is said they also control the media and all corporations. They have been behind all the crimes against humanity. The Anunnaki. According to much research by scientists, there is a 12th planet in our solar system known as Planet X. You may also want to look into Planet 9, which is a recent discovery. The Anunnakis refer to their planet as Nibiru, which is located somewhere beyond Pluto. This planet, unlike any other planet in our solar system, moves clockwise rather than counterclockwise and has an elliptical orbit. It has been said that planet Nibiru collided with another planet in our solar system called Maldek, and the collision created Earth. This planet is inhabited by the Anunnaki, who landed on Earth and originally colonized it. They came here with the intention of mining gold on Earth and many other minerals. They live in an idealistic society in a small colony. Before heading for Earth, the Anunnaki colonized the planets in the Orion star system. The Anunnaki are in direct contest with the Draconians for control over mankind. Well, there you have it. These are the real aliens which are fighting for control over mankind. Have you noticed them? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you liked our video, do hit the like button and subscribe for more such amazing content.